If you have trouble sticking to a budget and need that extra push to hold yourself accountable, here's a secret weapon for you. Grab a stack of envelopes and let's get started. Take a look at your budget and all the areas you'll spend money this month. Use one envelope for each budget category where your spending varies, such as groceries, shopping, and restaurants. Don't worry about making an envelope for fixed expenses like rent, since you generally can't overspend there. Then, write down the category and exactly how much you budget on the front of the envelope, and fill it with that amount of cash. Every time you go to make a purchase, pay with the cash from the envelope. When you actually see and feel the money, you may find yourself spending less, or even questioning whether you want to spend it at all. When the cash in your envelope is gone, you're not allowed to reach for a credit card. Each time you get paid, get the exact amount of cash from the bank that you need, and fill the envelopes again. If you want to figure out how to cut back even more, keep your receipts in each envelope and analyze where you can trim next month. With this fun tool, there's no mindless spending, and that can lead to some serious saving.